What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority. You want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Let's get started, but first let me explain how Alison courses work. Alison works by offering free, self-paced online courses created by experts, funded by ads and optional paid certificates, allowing users to learn skills and modules, pass assessments needing 80% and higher, and download a free learner record or pay for an official certificate or diploma to prove their achievement, all accessible via web or app. AI product management is the practice of guiding machine learning and generative AI solutions from idea to launch, focusing on value creation, technical constraint, and data strategy. Some of the core responsibilities are data management, dual metric, and cross-team translation. As you acting as a bridge between customers, business leaders, and data science engineering teams, companies need an AI product manager because building artificial intelligence requires managing unpredictable technology, complex data pipelines, and unique user trust issues that traditional software management cannot handle. So allow me to quickly break down what this free online course AI Product Management for Beginners will contain. This 3 to 4 hour online course is CPD Accredited and will contain videos. The curriculum dives into real-world integration challenges, industry impacts, and practical strategies for leveraging AI not only to meet but exceed customer expectations. You'll learn how to identify AI opportunities and apply cutting-edge tools and technology that transform the product management process. Moreover, ethical consideration and stakeholder communication become paramount as we step into the future. This course doesn't just prepare you for the present, it equips you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the future of AI when it comes to product management. From AI ethics and data privacy to stakeholder management, get ready to lead with confidence in the AI era. The course will go over and identify the key challenges of integrating AI into product management. It will explore various AI tools that can enhance customers' experience and discuss the benefits of using AI for strategic decision-making. It would also touch on how AI can be used for competitive analysis and marketing positioning. In Module 3, you will learn how to identify opportunities for integrating AI in order to enhance product market fit. Next, the module will discuss how to develop AI prototypes and iterate on them based on user feedback. Then the course will explore how to implement chat-style LLMs for the efficient task automation. The free online course will go over the ethical principles that are essential for integrating AI into product management. It will discuss the impact of data privacy laws on AI-driven product strategies and identify key strategies to mitigate bias in AI applications. Additionally, we will learn about how AI is transforming AR to VR technology. Some of the learning outcomes in this course will also be identifying opportunities for AI-driven innovation, AI ethics and data privacy, AI roles in enhancing product strategy, and strategies for AI integration, and of course, much more. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification course you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that is floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'll see you in the future.